and the compost toilet. So this is our latest installation. We have, when we moved in, with Cambridge Carbon Footprint, we developed a 10-year plan for our home and how we were going to eco retrofit it, because you don't want to be doing everything at once. Well, you might, if you move in, get the big jobs done, but it will probably take time. And our compost toilet has now happened 15 years after the 10-year plan was started. And we, on the left, you can see Ian, we have, because we're a 1950s ex-council house, we had in the corridor outside, there's an outside toilet room. When we moved in, it was leaking, so we just turned it into a kind of storage space. And here's Ian on the left smashing out the old toilet. And we thought we were going to be able to do all the work ourselves, but the stop clock was locked. So to install the pipe that you can see in the bottom right thing that might eventually turn into an even better sink system, we got a plumber who installed that for us. And my advice about stop clocks is, when you turn them on, turn them off a quarter of a twist so they don't jam on. Anyway, compost toilet, you sit down, your poo goes in the back hole, your wee goes in the front hole, you get up a handful of sawdust and you drop it on top of your poo,